Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're using the Ornamental Christmas bundle to do this lovely card. And the sides just tuck in under the circle. Alright, let's get started. We'll start with a card base. 4 1/4 by 8 1/2, scored at 1 5/8 and 6 7/8. The inside card, which I embossed half of it on there, is 3 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. 2 pieces of DSP or Decorative Series paper, 1 3/8 by 4. Got 2 pieces of that for the flaps. And then I used the dies from the bundle to cut out a circle and 2 ornaments. So let's get started here. We're going to fold along the score lines. Use my bone folder to make them nice and crisp. Then I'm going to fold along the edge here. There. And then this, let's get the Stampin' seal. I put a T on the top just to remind myself. I'm going to go around. I like to go clockwise to make sure that the corners all stay down. We're going to center that here. See if I can get it centered. It's about equal. Then let's put the DSP on. One on the left side. One on the right side. Alright, and here's the secret. For the circle, I'm going to go ahead and get some of the mini dimensionals. I put the red lines in there so I can tell when I take off the release paper. And I only put the dimensionals here in the center. I'm going to use my Pick My tool. Take those release papers off. And this will go here in the center. Like that. And then I'm going to stamp this one. 'Tis the Season. Get that centered. There you go. And then let's put some dimensionals on that. Kind of pop that up. And then I'll adhere the black one here, right like that, to show out, and then some Stampin' seal here, and that is it. And then you're going to tuck these under the circle, and that's how it's going to hold it down, and it'll actually fold flat in the card. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please feel free to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for many more video tutorials. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.